How to use Snappify as a complete beginner Snappify tutorial. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use this app called Snappify to create stunning visuals for your code. It was launched not that long time ago, so here we are on snapify.com. We'll discover their prices, interface, and how can we use Snappify to achieve our goals, maybe to create presentations or maybe to create some content for our social medias. We can find a lot of information. For example, we can do like create next level presentations, elevate your technical content if you like represent it in different social medias, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. Simplify our education if we are going to create some courses or something like this. Also, we can embed interactive infographics, find some stories from users, and as you can see, Snappify is a pretty cool app if you want to create like some content, maybe for courses, social medias, or maybe presentations. In order to get started, you just simply need to create an account. So here in the right top corner, you can click on login or click on get started. It's free. And after that, you'll come to this page where we can easily create an account. They will ask us, do we need to create? And you can create it only for this platform with the help of your email, or you can log in with your Gmail, nothing hard. Everything is connected and your Gmail account will be automatically like created as an account on Snappify. Also, you can log in through your GitHub account. It could be really helpful. So this is how our dashboard, basically workspace, looks like. We can also go to dashboard to find all the projects we have. As you can see, I only have one project now. We can create a new by clicking on this icon or on this button here. We can also manage them by using folders. We can create new folders if it's necessary, but as you can see, we need to upgrade it to Pro plan to add new folders. Also, Snappify provides us the opportunity to use different templates. So we have like 10 different templates here, and all of them are pretty cool. And I think that you can find the most suitable as for you, or you can create a new one and then just simply use it for your purposes. We can find a lot of tutorials. We have like 2 tutorials here, so I suggest you to watch them after watching this video. And basically that's all for the dashboard. We can find some documentation. I don't think that it's really like important to know, so let's get started with their interface on their workspace. And as you can see, in the server part we have a board where we can interact with our elements. Basically, we can resize our slides if it's necessary, and also we can interact with every single element. As you can see, I have like a code editor right up here, and also I have a block with the text. In order to interact with it, we have 2 ways. Basically, we can click and then just simply find the necessary options. For example, we can add code or something like this. Or we can find all the settings for this element directly in the right side menu. As you can see, there are a lot of them. We can change the alignment, change different position, add paddings, and also like margins. And as you can see, we also can manage like borders if it's necessary, like background. We can change between different languages because like every single language has its own color palette. For example, if you want to create it in a C++ code, you just simply need to change it in C++ right up here. We can also customize our buttons. We can create a new folder if it's necessary. So there are a lot of different parameters we can change to customize our image. I think it's pretty cool. I suggest you to try to use it for yourself because sometimes options are important for you, sometimes some options are not important. So basically it depends on your own. And also in the left side, we have our own like window to add different elements. We can add code editors like this. So if I'm going to delete it, for example, I can easily click on add code editor and it will be automatically added and placed to my slide. I can also add text, and in order to like manage it, I just simply need to click and then I can manage. So I can like replace it. For example, let it be hi code or maybe hello world. And as you can see, we have a couple of options. We can change the alignment, make it bold, italic, underlined, and change the color. And also we have a huge number of different parameters we can change in order to interact with it. And also we can resize our like block with the text, as you can see. Now it looks like this. And also we can find a lot of like lines. They help us to centralize our elements, make them like in a central or like in a central part. So yeah. And also we have like element tree, where we can find a lot of information. We can find all the elements, and if we'll click on them, we'll select them on our workspace. So basically we have our text, code editor, and also we have a watermark, and it's pretty cool that we can easily delete it if it's unnecessary. And from this like part of the window, we can also manage our background. So we can click on fill, and then just simply change it to the necessary style. As you can see, we can change it to solid colors, gradient, and they provide us the opportunity to choose a lot of different styles, and it's pretty cool, so you can find a suitable design as for you. And also in the bottom of the screen, we can change between different slides, and we can also add like our personal information. For example, you can click on it right up here to add personal information. We can also add media from this page here, and also we can add form elements like arrows, ellipses, rectangles, and polygons. For example, let's try to add arrow. Now it looks like this. We can add something like that. And basically now it looks pretty cool, and I suggest you to use Snappify. In top of the screen we can find export button, where we can download a current slide, or we can like create a full presentation, but in order to do it we need to update to the next plan. So if we'll try to discover our plans, we need to click on upgrade. But before, I want to show you that we can present our presentation. As you can see, it looks like this, pretty cool, and I think that Snappify helps us to interact between people. If you're going to compare the paid plans, we can find 4 of them: free, starter, professional, and team. As you can see, prices are different, like $0, $5 per month, $9 per month, and $32 per month. And if you're going to pay early, we don't have any discounts, as you can see. And what's interesting is that like the most suitable plan as for solo developer, I think, is professional. As you can see, we have the best options we can do. Unlimited folder storage limit, unlimited snap storage limit, unlimited slides per presentation, unlimited like 60 fps video export, and so on. A lot of stuff unlimited here. But of course, if you are working in a team, you can easily buy a team plan as for you, and it will be pretty cool. So that's all for Snappify. I hope this video helped you out. Like, subscribe, goodbye.